Hey there everyone, I'm Chaitanya and today we are unboxing the Philips Multi-Grooming Series 7000 model MG7920/65. This comes from the house of Philips. So, are you excited to witness the ultimate grooming tool in action, the Philips All-in-One Trimmer? Let's dive right in. Let me start off by telling you that this tool is precision grooming at its finest. The Philips Multi-Grooming Series 7000 isn't just a trimmer, it's your all-in-one solution for your face, hair and body grooming. With 13 versatile tools, you can tailor your grooming experience to suit all your needs. With this trimmer, you're assured of that professional finish at the comfort of your home. Say goodbye to uneven trims with the BeardSense technology. This innovative feature scans your beard density 125 times per second, ensuring a consistent trim with every pass. No matter your beard type, dense, bushy or long, just like mine, this trimmer adapts to give you a perfect trim and an even result. Also, the narrow design of the precision trimmer attachment makes it easy to create the sharp edges and fine details just like a pro, making it truly barber ke barabar. Experience long-lasting performance without the need for constant maintenance. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades remain as sharp as day one, guaranteeing a precise result with every use. Plus, with 13 tools included, this all-in-one trimmer is your go-to solution for grooming your face, head and body with ease. With the patented ultimate precision trimming comb that offers 11 settings between 1 to 3 mm, you can achieve an even trim at the exact length you want. Whether you're aiming for a short stubble or a long beard style, the Philips Multi-Grooming Series 7000 has got you covered. With 17 length settings ranging from 0.5 to 16 mm, you can achieve the perfect look with the precision and ease. And let's not forget about body grooming. The body shaver attachment ensures the comfortable shave below the neck with a skin protection system to guard sensitive areas and is perfect to groom your body hair. These separate attachments for trimming your ear and nose hair are truly a blessing. Maintenance has never been simpler. The water-resistant design allows for a convenient use even in the shower, while also making cleaning under a tap a breeze. And with up to 120 minutes of cordless runtime on a single charge, which is like 4 weeks of power, and that is more than enough to tackle all your grooming needs. Plus, the battery indicator ensures you're always aware of the trimmer's charge status, so you never have to worry about running out of power mid-trim. There you have it folks, the Philips Multi-Grooming Series 7000 MG7920/65, your ultimate grooming companion. And this is what we truly like to call barber ke barabar. With precision, versatility and long-lasting performance, this trimmer is a game changer in the world of grooming. And with this, you can get your professional finish at home. So get yours now. Until next time, stay stylish, stay sharp. Here's me signing off.